My name is Vinaliani and I'm currently a student at Binasarana Informatika University Cibitung, majoring in Information Technology. I come from Bekasi Regency and I'm happy to be here and connect with each of you. A little about me, I'm very passionate about technology. I have always believed that education is a journey of discovery, and I'm excited to learn and grow with everyone here. In my free time, I enjoy graphic design and I'm always up for trying new things. I would love to share ideas, work on projects together and hopefully create great memory. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself and I can't wait to discuss my duties after this.
A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you all, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished guests. On this occasion, allow me to convey my view on our new president, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. He has begun his leadership by bringing great hope for the progress of this nation. We all know his track record as a firm leader, highly committed and has great concern for the country's defense and sovereignty. Many of us welcome his vision to create a stronger, more independent and more sovereign Indonesia on the global stage. However, of course, every leader has challenges and room for improvement. We hope that Mr. Prabowo will not only emphasize the country's strength and security, but also improve the people's welfare, economic equality and inclusive and quality education. We hope that he will pay attention to the voice of the common people and ensure that every policy taken truly benefits a level of society without exception. As a form of sympathy, we understand that this task is not easy. Global economic challenge, domestic political conditions, and various domestic problems will continue to come. However, we believe that with wise leadership, collaboration with various parties, and openness to public input, he will be able to overcome this obstacle. As a society, we are all ready to support. However, as part of a democratic country, we also have the right to provide constructive criticism. We hope that the criticism and input conveyed are not considered as obstacles, but rather as reinforcement in building a better Indonesia. Finally, let us support this new government with the hope that Mr. Prabowo's leadership can realize the promises that have been made and lead us toward a more advanced Indonesia. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good. Here I will explain about part 2 about recognize and use the present continuous. What is present continuous? Present continuous is used to express activities that are taking place at this time. Example, I'm reading a book. Present continuous formula. The present continuous formula is divided into 3 parts. Namely, first there is a positive formula. Subject plus 2BM is R plus verb ing. Second negative formula. Subject plus 2BM is R plus not plus verb ing. The last is the question formula am is are plus subject plus verb ing. Am consists of I, is consists of he, she, it, are consists of you, they, we. Use verb ing. Study becomes studying, work becomes working, cook becomes cooking, and soon. Example of positive sentence. The first, he is reading a book. Second, they are playing football. The last, I am studying English. Example of negative sentence. First, he is not reading a book. Second, they are not playing football. The last, I am not studying English. Example of question sentence. First, is he reading a book? Second, are they playing football? The last, I am studying English. When to use the present continuous. The first is going actively. The second is future plans. The last is temporary states. The tell examples on going actively. First, I'm eating right now. Second, she is talking on the phone. The last, they are studying for their exams. Future plans. First, I am meeting with my friend tomorrow. Second, she is starting a new job on Monday. And finally, we are having a family gathering next Sunday. Temporary states. Firstly, I am studying at the local library this week. Secondly, she is taking cooking class this month to improve her skills. Lastly, she is living in Paris for the summer. Present continuous keyword is divided into 4 parts, namely now, at the moment, right now, and currently. Primary use of simple present is stating fact, routines, habit, while the primary use of present continuous is stating the action that is taking place now. Simple present tense structure has subject plus verb ss, while present continuous subject plus am is are plus verb ing. The simple present keyword include everyday, always, usually, often, right now, and currently. Example of sentence simple present is I read a book every evening, while present continuous is I'm reading a book right now. Next, here are some practices that we can just skip. Common mistakes. Using to be incorrectly such as am is are. Wrong. She am talking to him. Correct. She is talking to him. Use the present continuous for common action. Wrong. I am eating breakfast every day at 7 a.m. Correct. I eat breakfast every day at 7 a.m. Use the present continuous for static words. Wrong. I am know the answer. Correct. I know the answer. The conclusion is that the present continuous is used to describe actions that are currently taking place or definite plan in the future. By understanding and avoiding common mistakes, we can use this tense more accurately and effectively. Keep practicing to become more professional in its use. Thank you.